Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we will solve this problem which is related to the age. The problem says Patrick's present age is 1/4 of his mother's age. After 10 years, he will be the 2/5 of the age of his mother. What is the present age of mother? Now this question is related to the age of the mother and the son. Now let's suppose the Patrick present age is X and the mother's age is Y. This is saying that Patrick's present age is 1/4 of his mother's age. So we can say that X equal to 1/4 of the mother's age, that is Y. So Y equal to 4X. Now further it is saying that after 10 years he will be, it means Patrick will be after 10 years. So Patrick will be, it means the present age of the Patrick after 10 years, that is plus 10 equal to, he will be the 2/5, 2 divided by 5, the age of the mother. So age of the mother is Y, so we will also add plus 10 in the mother's age because we are talking about the after 10 years. Now we will solve it. So bring this 5 on the left hand side, that will be in the numerator, and multiply it with this. So that will be 5x plus 5 into 10, that will be 50. So 5x plus 50 equal to 2 into y plus 2 into 10, that will be 20. So 5x plus 50 equal to 2 into, we know that the value of y is 4x, so 2 into 4x plus 20. So 50 minus 20, if we bring this plus 20 on the left hand side, that will be minus 20. So 50 minus 20 equal to 8x, and bring this 5x on the right hand side, that will be minus 5x. So 8x minus 5x, that will be 3x, and 50 minus 20, that will be 30. X equal to 30 divided by 3, that will be 10. So we can say that the Patrick's present age is 10 years. But in the question, we are being asked about the present age of the mother. Now the present age of the mother is y equal to 4x. So we know that the Patrick's present age is 10. So 4 into 10, that will be 40. So we can say that the present age of the mother is 40 years. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.